We are back in the condo because it was so stressful and walang signal and everything and umuulan pagkalabas. Dagdag stress. This is Sophia. Resident top bunk. Time is 6:02. Galing kami ng freshie orientation. PM schedule. Okay naman, it was so fun. Pero walang signal.
Hindi sila nagpa-chat.
Ay,
Naabangan
oo.
ko magpa-chat.
It's raining. This is the view when it's raining. Agenda today is mag-ayos for tomorrow. Kasi first day na talaga. First
Wala
day
pa,
na.
dalawa pa lang yung nagko-contact sa akin. PE tsaka Chem pa lang.
Wala pa nagko-contact sa akin. Nag-contact sa akin yung kinancel ko na class. Ang dami kong dala bukas. Sana hindi umulan. Parang pag
May
umulan,
index card ka na ba? Tapos
may picture ako. Wala akong index card.
Ako
Gusto
may
mo
index card
bumili?
daw. Wala akong picture!
May index card ka? Anong
Meron.
size?
Parang 1/2 tsaka 1/4.
One half?
Wala, wait lang. Mamaya, papakita ko.
Nagugutom ako. Gusto mo maglakad?
Saan?
Gusto ko ng Turks, oh! Turks tire.
Okay, fine.
What if bili na lang kaya ako ng song? Hindi ko pa alam mga kainan dito, Loki. Gusto ko ng Jollibee, pero ang layo. What if mag-bread na lang ako?
Magbe-bread lang ako dapat.
Mag-bread na lang tayo. Hi guys! So, I couldn't vlog that much of the first day. Kasi, oh my god, it's so stressful. Una, the 7 a.m. class, hindi siya natuloy. I woke up early for nothing. And then, I had a 1.5 hour break. Which was okay, nakakain ako ganyan. Tapos, yung next class ko, oh my god, it was at CHK na super layo pala ng building. Oh my God! Grabe siya. Grabe. Grabe talaga. Parang ayoko siya i-consider as first day kasi unang-una, isa lang yung class ko. Parang super na-stress lang ako. Tapos, dahil sobrang pagod ko, ang dami kong nabiling pagkain na over budget na siya like, kinda didn't enjoy it. Hindi ko pala naayos yung wifi ko, yung Delnet. Kaya hindi ko magamit yung laptop ko. May kailangan akong gawin sa laptop ko kanina. Pero anyways. Isa pa yun, walang ka-signal anywhere. Parang, oh my God. Parang ganon. 3 lang yung class ko bukas. Phil 40, French, and then math. Pero hindi pa sila lahat nag-chat, nag-email sa akin. So, parang kanina, yung hindi nag-email na prof namin, hindi siya sumipot. Sabi ng namin, kapag ganon, hindi nag-email, hindi sisipot. Parang ako, guys, mag-email kayo please. Parang ayoko naman na super boring ng first week ko. Kahit alam kong orientation lang siya. Nag-orientation kami kanina sa chess. Which is okay. Ang cool ng teacher namin. Yung teacher namin parang woman international master siya. Ganon. Naenganyo ako mag-chess bigla. Hindi talaga ako maka-record kasi una parang I was always on a rush. Kasi may subjects Tuesday, Thursday. Magkakadikit siya. Philo 1, Philo 108, and then PE. Yung Philo 1 and Philo 108, carry siya kasi same building lang naman. Pero girl, yung chess, yung PE ko, hindi siya carry. Like, kasi kahit mag-jeep ako, tas lakarin ko siya, malilit pa rin ako at malilit. 15-minute grace period yon. And sabi naman ng prof namin sa Philo 108 na like, maaga siyang papadismiss. So, baka I might take advantage of that. Madami naman kami na chess, na philosophy. So, I think madami naman akong kadamay. Very uneventful day, very stressful. I slept on the jeep. Kasi kumain ako with a friend. Tapos, I slept on the jeep pack. I'm so tired. Sana mas okay yung day ko bukas. Para hindi ko to i-count as a first day. Na ako, hindi naman sa culture shock. Pero like, ayoko yung ganto. Pagod ako kasi tuloy-tuloy ako, walang pasok, tas kung saan ako napupunta. That's it for the first day. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Halos kakaligo ko lang. Very rare occurrence. I'm gonna eat. I made scrambled eggs. It's 10:02. Dapat, may 8:30 class ako. Pero, when I woke up, email agad yung prof na like, it's cancelled. My next class is 11:30. Medyo late na nga ako. Is French, which is the class that I'm really looking forward to. I'll see you when I'm in your meeting. pa ako sa study area ng condo for like a bit. Binasa ko lang yung readings namin. Tapos tumakas na ako kasi gutom ako. I'm eating Meg's food with her permission. It's, I think, air-fried salmon and yellow rice. Dapat mag-bread lang ako eh. Pero we do not tawag dito. Hindi tayo tumatanggi ng grasya. Guys, na-try ko mag-Narnia kanina. Basta cool. Pero feel ko kailangan ko mag-off lotion. I'm using it.
Okay.
Hi! It's my vlog.
Saya siguro magka-class kay Karen
Karen.
Kay Kara. David.
So ano siya? Ano ba?
Broadcast. Or mascom ata eh.
Nag-post nga siya ng isang araw yung parang
Students
nag-picture. Hi! We're in Makati. We're going to Wanayala.
Hi! Pauwi na kami guys. The vlog is ending.
So today, wait lang, baka masagasaan tayo. So today, the classes today are only ME 101. Sobrang hirap and it was 3 hours na dire-diretsong lecture talaga.
I feel like I would enjoy 3 hours of French. Ito yung 1.5.
Tapos after mag-ME 101, bad trip ako. Tapos kailangan ko umuwi para mag-pack. So umuwi ako para mag-pack. And then bumalik ako ng UP in time for my 4 p.m. GEOL class, which was so fun. Kasi sobrang nice nung prof. Para siyang gentle parenting father, Chuchu. And then ayun, I went home and then we went to the car. We are going now to One Ayala, where we are gonna go home to Laguna. Let's go! Woo!
Hello guys. I'm gonna hold the iPad now. So, to end the vlog, ayan, I'll just summarize my day. Kasi ang daming parts ng day ko na hindi ko na-vlog. Kasi either nagmamadali ako to class or super init. Inconvenience yung pag-vlog. And paglabas ng iPad. First ako dun sa class ko sa in my first class, Phil 40, nauna ako. Super lamig ng room namin, grabe. And then, I went with my friend. We went to third space, kasama yun dun sa vlog. And then, after that, I had my French class, which was super fun. And then, we had our math class. Hindi din ako naka-record dun kasi basta malayo yung nilalakad namin. Dinadaanan namin yung Narnia, which is like a forest part ng UP na biology students go to. Our math class was super fun kasi super fun ng prof. So, mas nakaka-enjoy siya. After that, I didn't get to vlog this, oh my god. Pero, I went with my friends to the Solana Market. It was my first time going. And, wala, window shopping lang siya kasi hindi ko pala talaga afford yung ganong flea markets. Parang enjoy the vibes lang. Ang kineri lang namin was the photo booth kasi nga, kakaambagan kami doon. And then, I went home. And then, ayun, umalis na kami when I went home. Nag-ayos ako konti ng gamit. First week was really fun kasi super light ng load and our other classes were canceled. Hindi ganun ka-busy. I think dumagdag lang sa busy ko was like plans I had with my other friends. Lalo na it was org fair, so madami kami nagkita kami. Alam ko naman parang mas bibigat yung load the following weeks. Of course, orientation lang naman kami this week. Basta I'll get everything in order. I'll try to vlog if may ganaps ako. See you next time!